Ari na dahil kahit number 1, step na dahil. Step na. Number 1, step na number 1. Number 1, step na. Step na number 1. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, count it number 2.
Hello everybody, my name is Samantha Vigoyahot and I'm 5 years old. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I will help people who is sick.
Thank you, number 2. Ari na dahil, Miss